Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to edit or modify a resource file for Mi Band 3. If you don't know what is a resource file, you can go to geekdoing.com and there you will find everything you want to know. Okay, so let's get into the video. First of all, you have to download Amazfit BIP tools and extract it. After extracting, open the folder and you will find these kinds of files in the folder. Now just move the resource file into this folder and now decompile the resource file. Simply drag it and place it on watch face. Now the resource file has been decompiled by the Amazfit tool, and here you can see all the PNG images of the resource file. You can edit them by using Paint 3D, Paint, or any other kind of software for which you can use for editing these kind of files. Here I am using Paint 3D. In Paint 3D you can use Pixel Pen for editing these kind of files. Make sure you use only black and white pixels for editing. After editing, save the PNG file. Also, if you don't know how to edit or if you don't want to, so you can also download some other resource file from geekdoing.com and you can decompile them and copy and paste their resources to your own resource, and you can customize your resource by copying and pasting. Just copy the PNG images from another resource and simply paste in your resource folder. Okay, so here are some instructions which are worth mentioning in this video. First of all, do this process at your own risk. But if you will follow the steps carefully, then there is no harm to your Mi Band 3. First of all, you can edit the PNG files using Paint 3D, Paint, Pixel Editor. The link is given in description. Secondly, never change the size of any PNG file. Third, never use any color except black and white while editing. Fourth, never rename any .png file. Fifth, you can copy and paste .png files from other resource file to your resource file. Once you are done editing your resource, you can compile it as shown as in video. Just drag your folder and take it to watch face. This will compile your resource file. You can also rename it. For flashing the resource file, you can use Gadget Bridge application or Notify and Fitness for Mi Band. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any query, then you can comment down, or you can simply visit to geekdoing.com. Thank you for watching.